Peacock. Peacocks are a larger sized bird. The length from bill to tail of 100 to 115 centimeter and weight is 4 to 6 kilograms. Peacock is also called peafowl. Peacocks are come under kingdom Animalia. Lifespan of a peacock is 10 to 25 years. There are 50 known colors of peafowl. There are 5 known body patterns: black, shoulder, bat wing, pied, white-eyed, and silver-pied. They have an inch-long beak, adapted for preying on small creatures like insects. Peacocks have amazing eye-spotted tail feathers. A group of peacocks is called an muster. Peacocks are omnivorous. That means they will eat both meat and vegetation. Wild peacocks eat fruit, berries, grains, reptiles, small mammals, small snakes, insects, etc. Peafowl prefer warm climates. Their ideal habitat is an open tropical seasonal forest with trees for roosting. During the summer, peahens start laying eggs when they are 2 years old. The peacock is a lifelong Bhramachari. He never has sex with the peahen. In 1963, the peacock was declared the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions. The peahen pets on the tail of the peacock to get pregnant. That's how peacock gives birth to a peacock or a peahen. Thank you.